TCS has just halted all new H-1B hiring. And Infosys, Wipro, and Cognizant may be next. For decades, H-1B visas powered the dreams of thousands of Indian IT professionals working across the U.S. But now, with a new $100,000 fee per visa filing, Indian IT giants are rethinking everything. Tata Consultancy Services has announced it will no longer hire new H-1B employees and will instead rely on local U.S. talent. Existing H-1B holders will get renewals, but no new positions are opening under the program. Other major players are expected to follow using L1 visas for intra-company transfers, prioritizing green card holders and hiring U.S. citizens. The traditional H-1B pathway that once built Silicon Valley's Indian workforce is fading fast. On Reddit and LinkedIn, tech professionals are calling it a turning point. One post read, "OPT holders, this is your chance. But don't expect high pay." For Indian students on F1 or STEM OPT, this shift means fewer sponsorships and more short-term contracts. The message is clear: plan early. Maximize your OPT window with real project experience. Look for global companies where L1 transfers are possible. Explore other routes like O1 or EB visas, and keep Canada or Germany as backup options. The H-1B era might be closing, but opportunities will always exist for those who adapt. If your future depends on this visa, type "I'm planning my OPT" in the comments and subscribe for more updates on U.S. immigration and IT career strategies.